Hey fool, so this is like how YouTubers oh, it's a 5-0. Oh, but do we want it? Nah, you don't want it, you don't want it. So like how YouTubers and shit, you know what I'm saying, how they get like sponsors. I'm about to show y'all. Yo, shut up, car. I've been in here like 10 minutes, I don't care. I'm about to show y'all, fool. Okay, let's get it. Okay, I'm about to call the fool right now. Like I need like an engine, fool. You know what I'm saying? Cause I gotta be out here, I gotta be gapping fools. But I gotta get it tuned first. But let me go ahead and get my engine. I need an engine. So I'm gonna call this fool right now. Hello, this is Billy Bob at the super badass engine company. How can I help you? Hey fool, like I think, you know what I'm saying, I think I can help you out with what you're doing. I want to know if you could sponsor me on my bill, fool. You know, because I be out here doing things, you know what I'm saying. I get hella likes. I be on the TikTok, you know, I be on the Instagram, the Book of Faces, the tubes, you know. So let me know, fool, when you can hook it up, and then, you know what I'm saying, I'll hook you up, whatever you need, fool. My mom makes some bomb ass enchiladas and shit, some menudo, whatever you want. So like, let me know. Well, we do offer sponsorships per se, but I don't really know. Hey, what's a like? This fool says he has likes. Like, anyways, I guess we got to go through some, you know, criteria stuff first, and then we can go and see if you're eligible for, you know, a sponsorship per se. So first things first, I mean, have you used any of our products before? Nah, I haven't really used like none of your stuff, you know what I'm saying, because it's like super expensive. I mean, I could afford it, you know what I'm saying, not saying that I'm broke or nothing, but you know what I'm saying, if you hook me up, you know what I'm saying, I'll hook you up. And yeah, so you know what I'm saying, I get hella likes. I have some girls come over, and they're not really my girls, like my nieces and shit. They go over and take some pictures of you guys and shit. Not on some weird stuff. I don't be taking pictures of my nieces, you know, on cars and bikinis. Don't be getting me twisted like that, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, you know what I'm saying, like what you got to offer, what's up? Yeah, I don't think we have anything available in what you're looking for. I mean, do you race at all? Do you go to stuff like TX2K? Do you go and, you know, World Cup finals, you know, stuff like that, FL2K? You do like drag week or anything like that? Like, you know, this is the kind of stuff that I'll be willing to work with people on, but we don't essentially like hook someone up, you know. I think the most I can hook you up on is I got a takeout motor that's stock that, you know, if you're willing to pay for shipping and the price of the motor, I can, you know, hook you up on that. But no, we don't really do no hookups like that, and we're not really looking for like the type of exposure per se. I mean, well, what kind of stuff do you do with your car? What are your goals? What do you want to do? I mean, this is like a legit shop. This is a business. It sounds like you're more so looking for like some free stuff, and we don't really offer that kind of stuff. But like, come on, fool. Like, there's nothing y'all can do for me? That's bullshit, dog. I see you give away hella shit to other people and stuff, you know what I'm saying? That's like real messed up. I think it's like a little bit of like, you got beef between me and you, dog? We got like some beef now or something? Like, what are you trying to do, dog? I know where the shop's at, fool. I know where you at. This is like a little messed up, dog. I'm trying to help you out. Okay, you don't know me. Alright, but you know, you probably should if I'm asking for like, you know, some sponsorship like this and stuff, you know what I'm saying? But I know your motors cost a lot. It's like 18 racks, dog. But look, like, you could hook it up, or, you know what I'm saying, we got some beef, you know, we could settle it some real quick, you know what I'm saying? All right, check this out here, buddy. Look, I don't want no beef. I don't want no nothing like that. The thing is, you don't know me, okay? This is a business. I don't give away hookups. I don't do stuff for free. I don't do freebies. You know, if you're out here looking for this kind of stuff, it looks like your mama didn't raise you right, or your daddy didn't raise you right. So you got some issues. But you want some beef, you want some squabble? Look, I'm off the clock right now. Look, I don't need your help, and we don't need you. My business is doing. Where are you at? Where are you at?